peaceful sunny day. Elmo! Huh? Hi, Elmo. You want to play with my pet rock, Rocco? No, Elmo, that's not. Hey, jeez. Nothing to yell about. Oscar, want to play with my pal Rocco? No! What a grouch. Elmo, no! Elmo doesn't want to play with the pet rock anymore! It's just a rock. Exactly! Well, if you don't like Rocco, maybe there's no way for us to be friends. Right? Guys, what's going on here? I'm almost sure what's going on today. Huh? I wanted him to play with Rocco, and he said he didn't want to. Oh yeah? That's what Emma thinks of your rock. Guys, calm down. So we can pretend she has an imaginary friend if she wants. Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. Alright. Let's go play then. Good idea. I'm sorry. That's okay. Bye, Big Bird. Bye, Big Bird. Bye. No. Keep on fighting. They stopped fighting. Well, I want them to fight. Grouches.